Hi friends, my name is Stephanie. I am so excited to work with you at Sea Monsters Marathon at the Coterie. A little bit about me. I've been a teacher for 7 some years. I am actually afraid of the ocean and I have my very own sea monster. I'm just kidding, he's a cat, but he likes to pounce and surprise me and play in water. So I'm excited to learn more about the sea monsters in your life. I'm excited to learn about Crow with you guys, character, relationship, objective, and where. I'm excited to learn about relays together, about pasta together, about improv together, and just have a really wonderful time. Parents, we might be able to do a video at the end to show you guys what we've been working on. There will definitely be activities and things that they'll take home with them and all kinds of stories they'll be able to tell you about our adventures together. So that is something to look forward to. And before my own sea monster pounces on me, I hope you have a good night. See you later.